Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can convert a low quality image to high quality or 4K HD image by using the AI photo enhancer. So in here, if you want to, you can download this app photo AI photo enhancer from the Google Play Store or App Store. And then here you can start by opening the app. You can enhance photos with one click. Let's click on start, and in here allow the notification if you want to. And this is the example. This is a blurry photo, and now it will become an HD photo if you use this. So you can allow the photos and also videos, and you can choose the one that you want to enhance its quality. Okay, I'm going to select this photo. Now click on allow, click on the photo here, and now you can choose between the enhance. Free enhance, you need to watch an ad, or pro enhance, then you need to subscribe into the photo enhancer. Let's try the free one first. So click on this and watch the ad. Okay, after you watch the ad, you can just close it, and now AI will recognizing the photo and ready for the processing. AI image details identifying, processing still, so it might take a few seconds to process. Okay, so now it's done. So this is the before. You can see it's a little bit blurry, and this is the after. Now it will becomes more sharp, I think. Like this, you can see the comparison. And if you want to, you can just click on save your photo now. So if you want to save, you need to also watch an ad if you are only on the free version. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.